2015 Chevy Camaro V6. Really beautiful red color. V6 need love too. They got two catalytic converters there. Two more right there. Then a factory H-pipe. Then what we did is we did a resonator delete there. And then a rear muffler delete there. And there. And then we put some massive 5-inch tips there and there. Double walled stainless steel. We just got these in. There'll be a link in the description for them if we can find them for you guys. Anyways, there's the two mufflers we cut off. There's the two resonators we cut off. There's those ugly tips we cut off. Before, after. Really beautiful, really magnificent, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, sharing is caring. Please share. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Woohoo! Wow, that's loud. That's awesome. You sound. It's 125 on the decibels. That's so loud. True dual straight with 5-inch tip. And it's got 4 catalytic converters on it. Let us know what you guys think. It's loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro 2015 V6. True dual straight pipe with 5-inch tips.